Hello everyone, my name is Oscar. Today I will speak about the desire. Many people like bakers. Do you like a car? Here is two kind of cars. This car has the best engine in the world and this car has best brakes in the world. If you choose the car, which car do you want? Best engine or best brakes? A car has an engine and it goes fast when you step on the accelerator. It's the same with the desires in people's heart. They cause people to run forward at a high speed in order to satisfy them. The desire in our body and heart lead us to action. For example, I like to play games so much. So when I was living in Korea, I played games for 7 hours every day. But I was not satisfied. One day, my parents tried to stop me, but they couldn't stop me. And that situation made me angry. I also tried to stop gaming by myself. However, when I played games, I forgot my decision and continually played games. What do you think about this? Dangerous, right? The important thing is that people should not only have desires, but also the brakes that control them. You should not continue to run forward just because you want something. You must also be able to stop. If we only have desires and no power to control them, that is dangerous as a car without brakes. If you don't have the power in your heart to control your desires, then you will be miserable. Many people do not control their desires very well. Therefore, a person who possesses many things but has not learned self-control of the heart is at great risk of sowing discord and happiness. Every person has the desires to eat well and learn many things. It is possible to apply the brakes on all your desires when necessary. The majority of lottery winners in the United States become more miserable than they were before, becoming millionaires overnight. The engine of a car is important, but the car must also have brakes. Likewise, from a young age, if you learn how to think and have self-control, you can become a great person in any field. Young people need the desire and the energy to strive for many things. The same way, both the engine and the brakes of a car must be in great shape for that car to go fast. At the same time, they must also nurture the ability to control themselves in order for them to live a happy life. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.